Hello, this is Mary from Guided Killarney Tours. I just want to give you some information about my daily tours of Killarney Town and National Park. So I start at the tourist office each day and I run a couple of tours depending on the demand. And we walk up through the centre of town where I talk to you about the development of Killarney Town from the beginning right up until the present moment. And we talk about the lanes and what went on in Killarney in the past and the different characters involved in the story of Killarney. And we'll pass my grandmother's pub where my mother was born, and I have lots of stories that go with that. And then we go over towards the Church of Ireland, and then a little bit off the beaten track down to see the old Holy Well, St Mary's Holy Well. Then over to the Ha-Ha, and we come to the entrance centre Killarney House and Gardens, which is at the junction of Muckers Road and Countess Road. I was born just 100 yards from there in a place called Orchard Close, which was an orchard belonging to the family who lived behind the wall, the Earls of Kenmare. And it was here that Camilla and Prince Charles visited last August. And it was here also that Queen Victoria had stayed in 1861. She spent her first night here. And this has just opened to the public last year for the first time. The house opened, and free tours are available every 30 minutes on the ground floor, and upstairs they have an interpretive centre to Killarney National Park, which is absolutely amazing. So we will walk through the gardens, and then I'll bring you down to see a beautiful magical place in Killarney National Park, down around Deanoch Lodge and up to Knock Rear. And we'll see where the old Killarney House once was situated, but it got burned down in 1913. And then we'll see where the French president stayed for 2 weeks after he had lost the elections in France, le Président de Gaulle, Charles de Gaulle. And then over towards the beautiful views onto Lough Lane, and then back up New Street, back to the tourist office again. So, and I will give you lots of tips on what to do by night in Killarney and where to eat and where to go and anything you want to know. So if you're interested in this, just get in touch with me on my website. My phone numbers are on the website as well. And I'd be delighted to have you on a tour with me during the summer or any time during the year.